All right, we're building a nav search feature. See how to do this. So we got this search now. All right. Oh wait, I don't need a button here. Well, I will later, I guess. I'll just grab this old one here. I think this came stock with Lumos. Alright, so here's our wrapper. Search wrap. I can use this. I don't know what the best way to do this is actually. Maybe I'll stick with the normal way of doing things here. Nav links text sub. Oh wait, this isn't a toggle, this is the actual search. Never mind. Still need the trigger, I guess. So this is gonna open the nav. And here's my nav search. Cool. Let's do... Let's do some stuff here. Button wrap. Is this the whole field? Yeah. I'm just gonna put the background on here. Dark mode. I'll have it go on top. Here's the search wrap. Let's make this a little smaller. Where is my position? There she is. How do I zoom in here? Oh, there you go. Now you can see. Yeah, man, I've been just so busy with projects. I haven't had time to get back on here. It's crazy. Here's our search field. Let me see. Just gotta remember how I built it. This is my search wrap. Maybe I'll contain this. Small? Maybe? I'll do it in here. It's probably going to be faster if I just build this from scratch instead of figuring out how this Lumos is set up. I think that's an overflow. Okay. Maybe I can make this top bar taller. Oh, I just took up this entire top area. Okay. Maybe that's a better approach. So let me make sure this nav search, what is this? Top nav desktop sub. It's right here. Get rid of that. Okay, now the nav search is on top of everyone. Do 3. Nav search wrap. Height auto, everything's good. Label. Okay. Maybe I'll do something like this. What am I trying to do? I want it to flex. No, I want to dictate the height of this. So maybe in this label, or in this guy. Let's just do something quick for now. Oh. There we go. What is this thing? This button wrap. What are you for? What is this? Fill none? Oh, I think this is just all screen reader stuff. Okay. Something like this. Okay, I need to make sure this is using the right font family. I guess it is already. What weight are we doing here? That's okay. Alright, now I just need a close. I do have it a little bit bigger. Search here. And then I have that search button. Okay, so I do want this, I think. No, let's just use a regular button. Button. Which button do I use? I'll just make a new one. Nav search button. Oops. Where is... I thought I had a button style here. Guess not. Just do 1.25. Okay. Maybe we'll set a height. I hate setting static heights here, but I think it's okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. What else are we missing? This is kind of using a lighter background. Let's do this one. Okay, on hover. Do that maybe. Add the background color. Okay, now for the close trigger. Tab search, close. It's just basically an icon. Do I have icons? Oops. This guy. Whoop. What's this one? Oh. Maybe I could just use that guy. Is this already a button? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So I guess I'll just use him. Okay, now we want to just make him... Why can I never find the position? There we go. Put him over there. I guess I could put a... No, I'll keep it this way. Margin, site margin. It's kind of huge, that was the problem. Close. Maybe we'll go like that. I want it to be smaller. Let's just see how this responds. It does not. Okay, good. What about in here? Classes. Is there a class for it to make it smaller? I don't know this code base enough. Oh, maybe I'll just do... Maybe I'll just keep it. Let's just keep it for now. Just to test out the interaction here. So this is the one that will trigger the interaction. Okay, cool. All right, so let's set the state for this guy. Nav search. Want the opacity to be 0. Display none. Cool. Okay, next up. This is a button. Alright, next up is some quick little interaction here. this is our nav search. On click, we will do something custom. 2. Let's add alpha. So 2 100. Oh wait, want to target nav search. Set as target. Is that right? I think that's right. Okay. So we'll animate to 100. Let's see if that works. Haven't done this in so long. Doesn't work. Good. Oh wait. What did we forget? 0. I guess I'll just set it here. Wait, I want to target. Oh wait. Nope. I want to target nav search. Cool. Wait a minute. Let me just reset this. See what's happening here. What? Where are you? Nav search. Huh? I don't understand what's happening. Oh. Wait, let's start over. Because this guy just disappeared. This is a button. And this one... Why isn't this showing? What? Hello? It's there. It's not a z-index issue. Is it a Webflow issue? I'm moving slow. Oh, it is a Webflow issue. Great. God dang it. Okay. Back to this. Nav search. Let's hide it. Dude, Webflow, come on. That's so annoying. Alright. Let's try this again. So on the button, we want a click interaction. We want a custom one on here on the class nav search within no. Okay, so whoops. So it's just that, right? Great. When we click nav links sub, oh no, the trigger should be this element, this guy. There we go. And then this one, app search. Is inside of navlinks component. I don't know if we need to set that though. Let's add opacity. Great. Why doesn't that work? Oh, I wonder if maybe I have to do a set on this. Let's just reset. And then in here, the first action would be to set the alpha. Well, I need to. Oh, that's sick. Oh, this is cool. It's like I know how to do this in GSAP with code, but not through Webflow, so it's like a weird backwards learning. But having this UI is definitely awesome to be able to use GSAP. It's pretty sweet. Okay, so we got nav search. We're doing a set. This guy comes up. Oh, this is awesome. So now I can like create a whole timeline where these guys disappear. Like even more control than here. Let's at least try to get this part going. Okay, so we'll make this snappy. Great. So let's just make it like really fast. And then I want this one, search wrap. We'll do this as the container. So we set the action, container comes in, and we want to target nav search. So do I just add another action, I guess? And for this one, do 0.25. And we will target nav search wrap. We'll go from 0 to 100. Right? .25 might be too crazy. It's not as cool as how I had this stagger. Ah. Okay. We'll do... This comes out. Delay it slightly. Like that much, maybe. Let's make it even more extreme. This is awesome. What's this button do? I need to learn the shortcut keys. Okay, so we got boop, boop. Okay, now this search wrap will push it down. To 0. Maybe I'll do it from here. Yeah. Power one out, and then I want nav search wrap. So I also need to set to rem for this. Set. Let's set container. That's the nav search wrap. Nav search wrap. Move, I guess. I don't know. Then let's set nav search wrap to move to rem. Right? Right. Okay. Let's just all set it in the beginning. Boop, boop. Okay. How fast do we want to? Is that ease in? Ease in. We'll do power. Power 2 is a little aggressive. Ah. I think I actually just want this to be the same. Yeah. Maybe slight. Oh, actually, I think I want it like something like that, maybe. I don't even know if I want to do this, actually. Why did I delay the button? Whatever. Okay, so cool. Let me animate this button close. So here I want to also set this. Set close. Set close. There we go. Move it down. Also go to 0. Oh wait, I think I had it come from. Oh, it's an X. Okay. Whoops. Move on the X. I would want well, I'll just do like also to run. And then class. Just do something like this. Okay, 2 alpha 100 and this to 0%, maybe. Is that right? Is that what I want? Yeah. That's a little too aggressive. Yeah. Okay. Is that it? Did we do it? I kind of hate how this entire glob is pushing up together. Maybe what we want is actually, I think what we want is to fade in the bottom border, or get the bottom border, and then animate each of these guys. That might be, it's okay. I think that's gonna take a little too long, so we're just gonna do it this way maybe. Okay, so in this, right here, I want this guy to fade in. Okay. Class. We'll set the search button. And then whoop, not a trigger. We'll go to alpha. There you go. Let's just clean this up here. Power to out, why not? Duration will be 0.25, let's start with. Let's trigger the class. No filters, there you go. Let's put them over here. Can I move it? Oh, sweet. There we go. Let's move all of our sets up top. Try to get a little organized here. Whoa. Maybe we'll do like something like that. We always wanted to drive an element to drive the next element so that it's nice and kind of, you know, cohesive, I guess. So fast, everything is so fast. Yeah, that's a little much. Okay, I guess I'll want to just make this longer. We'll do 0.5. Or actually, it might just be an easing thing. Maybe this is something easing can fix for us. Nope. It's just straight up too fast. I think I want the search to actually move up like the tiniest bit. Like 2 pixels maybe. No, like literally like 3 pixels maybe. And then move on the Y 0%. Oh, that was backwards. Just want some momentum. Yeah, like just the smallest amount of momentum. I don't like how fast that goes, or slow. I wish I don't have to keep adding stuff in here, but I'll just do it. This is kind of the first time I'm using this interaction feature that Webflow has. So there's probably a much cleaner way to do all of this. So I definitely want it to move up. Okay. Now it's sort of faster. It's a little better, I think, maybe. Comes out, yeah. Starting to get a little too crazy, so we will just stop here. Cool. Okay, now if I click, I need another trigger. This is nav search open. I want this everywhere. Yeah. Okay, so now I need a on click. nav search close button. Is that the right element? Yep. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's awesome. Okay. So now I want to just basically, oh, there must be a reverse. What's the, how do you do a reverse so I don't have to do all this? Wait a minute, there's got to be a reverse. Click on F. Here we go. There it is. So I could just duplicate this, call it nav search close, and then I'm just gonna do a really quick, oh, this is back and forth. When I click the element, reverse. Oh, wait a minute. It's this one that I want to click. Yeah, why not? All right. After I do this, gotta do this on the mobile. Great, it doesn't work. Where's my trigger, bro? Nav search close button, right? Yep. Close button. And then all pages. Is that it? No, I think it's just reverse. Because then it will go that. So why doesn't it work? Nav search. Close button. I don't need a filter. Every time I click it, it does that. It does that. Oh, wait a minute. It's this button close that I, wait, no. Maybe because it's not pressable. Oh, wait, no, that's the live site. Yeah, it's this element that I actually need to click. Dang it. Okay. So let's go here. What is this one called? Button close wrap. So let's change it to button close wrap, I guess. So when I click button close wrap, and it's inside of nav search close button. I want it to do that. Okay. Is that right? Search. Come on. What is this element? Oh. Clickable button is what I want. Within, is that enough of a target? If I click clickable button within, yeah. It's very unclear, these targeting, this element targeting. I don't know if it searches the entire DOM or not. Search. Hello. Clickable underscore button. I am clicking. Something's going on. Let's just do, oh wait, let's do the element. There we go. Let's target the attribute instead. This is probably going to be better. Data nav close. No. Data search close. Let's do that. Reverse. Maybe it can't reverse. Data search close. Okay. Oh. Is my trigger? Data search close button. If I click on data search button, I want it to reverse. Oh, I think I have to put it to this one, but I can't attach interactions on that, so it's gonna have to be this one. Maybe that? Interesting. Target data search close, right? Within nav search close button. Maybe it's not a direct child of it. Is it? Maybe clickable wrap is what I need to target. Let's try clickable wrap. I want to target clickable wrap. Oh God, I'm lost. Nav search close. Okay. Clickable wrap. Let's remove this. Is that it? I guess I could preview it here. Clickable wrap. Clickable wrap. What the hell is the target? Button close wrap or clickable? What am I targeting here? Clickable wrap. Huh. You would think it would just be the top level. This one. Maybe I'll just do that. Nav search close button. What? Is it the interaction that's wrong? But why would it be wrong? Also, where's my timeline? Is it down here? Like, where did the timeline go? Oh, it got hidden. Okay. Open, close. Close should like go that way because it's in reverse. So what's the deal? I'm just targeting classes here, so it should be fine. Speed. The trigger is nav search close button. Is what the trigger is. And I want it to go in reverse. Let me just see if it's even working. Okay. So that is the right one, and I think the reverse is just wrong. Why would the reverse be wrong though? Toggle play reverse maybe? Oh, because of my set? No. No. Bruh, I just wanted to reverse. Why can't you just reverse? Yeah. I guess it doesn't know. Play from... What do I want? I mean, I could just manually reverse it, I guess, but that's annoying because that's the whole point of reverse. Play the animation backwards. Oh, from its current position. Its current position is going to be over there. So... I need the current position. I need to make sure that my timeline is here. 105, 135. So what does that mean for us? We need to what? How do I set the playhead? Is that what I even need to do? No. Backwards from its current position. Stop. How do I set the... I guess I can't. I guess I can't. Do these all share timelines or no? Play from beginning. I don't think they share timeline. It's not like this timeline is the same for all of them, I guess. So my playhead is... Well, that's annoying. So I do have to reverse everything somehow. Okay, is there like a simple... These are just... Ah, toggle reverse. Is that it? I gotta do toggle reverse, I guess. I think it's this, maybe. Nope. Dang it. Why does he keep coming back? Oh, because I'm so confused. That's annoying. Okay. I really should just look up how to do this, probably. There's gotta be a way. You really want me to move this and flip this stuff around? That's so annoying. Resume? It never pauses though, is the problem. Resume would mean we're sharing timelines. Nope. Let's just do that. Oh, that's it. Okay. We go reverse. We jump to the end. 1.35. 1.35. That's what we want, I think. Yeah. Oh, why does it come back? Because it's looping? Interesting. 1 point. And then we repeat. We don't want to repeat, but somehow it's oh wait, I think I just published and then we're good. Okay. No, don't come back. Why does it like coming back? Oh, because I don't have set on these guys, maybe. I think that's why. Wait, I do, though. Oh, it's because it's not one. Wait, no, it is. Maybe I'll do like 1.36. Is that a thing? Is that how you do it? It's like repeating itself. What did we do? Each click, we reverse. Oh, maybe we just do play instead of reverse? No, because that just plays it that way. What is the point of this button? Maybe for this one I have to set it again? Repeat, don't repeat. Why do you want to repeat? Do I do like -1? No. Do I want to set it again? Maybe? Where's the end? Wait a minute. Maybe the state of the in is what's messing it up. could it be because I was using a bunch of sets and I probably should just set the but I'm setting styles right here. So what if we just do all of these to 1.36? Whoa. To jump to 1.36, we play it in reverse. That's preview speed. What's this one? Let's just publish it. Why is this so complicated? I think I just forgot to set an element, maybe. Yeah. The container and the close doesn't have a set, I guess. But I have it right here. Oh, wait. Set search button. Set container. This is nav search wrap, nav search close button, set search button, nav search button, nav search close button. So what's up? Why don't you want to do what you need to do? Why does it keep coming back? Modify. I think I just wanna maybe set. Maybe I'll just set default states here. Maybe we'll just do something like that. But then now I can't access it anymore. So that does not work. Does this work? Nope. So like right now, why am I seeing it? Okay, so here by default nav search close is showing everything. Like I'm over here. 1.36 has all of them showing, but that's not correct. I'm setting them to 0 here. Maybe I'll do 1.37. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. When I click this element, play from beginning, sure. Wait, is it fixed now somehow? No. Who is bringing it back? It like snaps back to here. Did I mess anything up here? Are these just not working maybe? It's like it's not getting to there somehow. It reverses and then loops. Oh. Oh wait, I'm in here. This is probably like the dumbest thing too. Maybe it's just kind of a GSAP thing. You see, I'm setting it back to 0. .37, reverse, close button. Maybe because this is 37, not 36. Is that it? No. Oh, maybe I need... Wait, no. It's like inheriting the search open properties. Okay, where's the... What is happening? Oh, here we go. Nav open. When we click it, each click we play from the beginning. Right. And then when we click the close button, it jumps to here, which is 136, and then it reverses itself. What's this reverse nonsense? Is that it? Why does it keep coming back? Maybe for the close, I want to... I don't know. I'm gonna have to look this up. Something is definitely making it appear again. What is making it appear again? I think it's the open. Okay. start. Is there a way to add an end? I think I just have to make sure my elements are set from the beginning. Let's do that. Okay, so nav search is gonna have to be, but when I did this, opacity is already 0. Alright, I'm just gonna publish. That's so weird. You would think this would be one of the easier things to do. It's so weird. Is there a GSAP inspector? Where is... Let's see what Webflow Bay says.
Welcome back. The new version of Webflow Interactions powered by GSAP is available to everyone now, and I've been having fun playing around with it, but I want you to see just how many possibilities that there are. So, to where it started when we put it on the Webflow canvas. View, we looked at how to create a new action, and in that action, we split our text staggering. So I think that stagger was a little bit pre-P wrap. So Webflow Interactions powered by GSAP to build a and I have an option to choose an action. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with a custom action. So at the top here, we see I need to select a target, and it says no class selected. Now I can select something on the canvas and then select this target, and then I'll go ahead. It's called the hero underscore heading. So as I start typing hero, right, we see an option to create a page load interaction. So we've created that page load interaction right here, and continue with our hero do certain and do move X and also play and icon. And now I can click stagger from right. I'm gonna go ahead and starting close to the previous vertical timeline that we used to use. Okay, so I'm really liking the timing of the stagger effects that we have with the text and the hero media. Now I think let's build a new action for the description and the nav text. So one way I can wrap, so P wrap, so that's one's here coming in. I also saw all the different options you have with the new Webflow Interactions is now available to everybody. Be sure to check out the description box below.
That did not solve what we need.
We chose the first scenario. The second one, the section-specific animation, we'll explore later, because it uses a different trigger entirely. Now, what we want is our two circles. In this case, what we want is whenever the user hovers over a specific section of the page, the background of a banner inside that section starts to pulse gently. The goal is to subtly guide the user's attention toward the button inside the banner. Really simple and takes just a second to inspect. Open the only action inside the animation called Pulse Background. This action targets. And now our last example for today. Only for today.
I think this is it.
Because as we said, we actually have 5 interactions. As I realized I had way more things to share than expected, so I decided to split the lesson into 2 parts. In the next things, or at least the most common ones, as we mentioned at the beginning. What we want to explore now is, can we create an interaction, just one interaction, that opens and closes a pop-up using the control property. I want to repeat that. One interaction, one animation. With classic interactions, the typical approach is just click and assign your interested description to valid for two GSAP interactions. In the hero section, we have the open pop-up button with the attribute element-role equals open-pop-up. At the bottom of the page, we have a div with the class popup-wrapper. It's set up like this. Display none. Width and height 100%. Position fixed with a full option. Very high Z index, so it sits above everything else. Opacity initially set to 100%, just as a quick example. Inside it, we have the close button with the attribute element structure. The interaction is called button click open and close pop-up. Very imaginative, I know. It consists of one single action called open pop-up, two click events. The first click event targets element with the attribute element-role equals open pop-up. The second one targets element-role equals close pop-up. Let's open the action first. This action targets pop-up wrapper and simply sets display to flex, fades opacity from 0 to 100%, duration 0.5 seconds, easing power 1 out. That's our opening animation. So how do we also get the closing animation without duplicating anything? Here's the magic. Look at the control property for both click events. This time we set control to toggle play reverse.
Okay.
Webflow
Wow.
describes it as toggles between forward and backward playback, meaning when we click the open pop-up button, the
Cool. That's easy enough, I hope. Okay, so back here, I don't need this. And did I? Okay. Nav search open, targeting that. The next one is we want to target nav search close button. Each toggle. Did he do toggle on the other one?
the animation plays normally. Pop-up opens. When we click the close pop-up button, the animation plays in reverse, so pop-up closes. If we click the open pop-up button again, the animation plays forward. Pop-up opens again, and so on back and forth, perfectly fluid. With
Oh my
this
God,
single
that was so
animation, we
stupid.
can open and close
Oh
a
my
pop-up
God.
seamlessly. Something that traditionally
wasted
required two
an
separate
hour.
animations and two separate interactions. Much cleaner, much more elegant.
Right, because in the code, the trigger. Oh my God. Okay. This definitely is exactly the same way you would set it up in the code, and I should have just followed that. Okay. So that's all set. Wow, that was stupid. I was still in the old Webflow mindset. Webflow interaction mindset. Oh no. Damn, it doesn't work still. No, it does work. Okay, jeez, I got nervous. Okay, I think I need to style. Yeah, I gotta style that. So now, nav search field. Gotta make sure this color is text. Theme text. Right? Cool. Next up, we need to see what happens here. Just gotta really make sure it's working. Ball. Not found. Perfect. Oh, because we don't have a search page? Oh, I know why. Why? Oh, it just wasn't generated yet, maybe? Yeah, I think that's why. Oh, great. Now I gotta style this whole freaking thing. What's our button style? Button... link wrap? Nope. Button main? Yeah. Button main wrap is what I need. Button main element? Yeah, button main element. Element. There we go. That's so annoying. Okay. Let's just do our own. Oops, search button. In the search button, we'll set the background to button primary. Right? Right. Okay. Now for our... Pretty sure this is already in Lumos. Form select. So it's just form field and the label is form label text. Okay. Form, oh wait. Nah, I gotta go to search results. Form field. Form field set wrap? No. Form fields list? Form field label text. I don't think I want form field list. Form field layout, was that a thing? Form element? No. Form field layout. What does this do? Massive gap. I can't wrap these guys though. Okay. form range, form select, form UI. Input. Form UI input. Whoa. Okay, you know what? This is stupid. I am going to just make my own. Form search input. And we'll just make sure it has the right stuff. Background, oh, I think I have an input in the theme. Selection? No. Nope. We'll just do something like that. And then border. Secondary. Maybe let's just do secondary. Yeah. Border, button. Is there a button? I'll do small. Let's reset these. And then we'll do our own. Let's just do one. On rem. Yeah, why not? Search. Form search. Field set. Flex it down. Spread it out. Can I wrap these guys? Here's a no, I can't. Okay. Maybe this label text I could just hide. I don't think I want to hide it though. Oh. Did not want to do that. There we go. Flex. Okay. Oh god, this whole thing is a mess. Let me grab a default template. Come on. Paste that in. Okay. Page main. We don't need a slot in here. I think I could just drop a section maybe. On link or section. And then inside of section contain or actually maybe that. Then inside of here, I can drop in my search stuff. Okay. So in here, for my search, maybe, do we have like a small hero? What's that one? Huge. It's a little too big. Is there an H2? U textile H2. Okay. Let me just grab. Let's just do a spacer. And then this one will wrap in a div block container, small.
Elegant and honestly very satisfying.
Whoa. What's the best way to style this? I need some inspiration. I guess, what do I have in here? Yeah, it's just like that, I guess. Oh, you know what? I can maybe use the same design as... No, I don't need container full. I'll style that in a second. Maybe the hero main. Maybe I'll use something like this. Background, search. That probably makes sense. Search, hero. Okay. Flex. Like 4rem. 2rem. We'll do a background on it. Maybe secondary. It's a little dark. Is that huge? That's kind of huge. It's kind of massive, actually. Is there like a grid or column? Maybe 6. How does the column system work? I don't know, actually. Grid. Is that how it works? This just sets a grid, I think. Yeah. Okay. How do I do this? That's full. I'm just gonna do search field set container with, let's max width. Okay, max width. I think it's in one of these. Gap. These are spacing values, so we don't want that. Column width. Is that what we want? No. I think I just want to actually... How is this set up? No. Let's just figure out how this is set up, I guess. This has column count, column width. It's got all that stuff. I guess it's okay to make this a component for now. Form search. And then I'll put this inside of that grid. Great. Then column width, so we'll do, how does this work? 6. Oh. I need to have, right, okay. So I'm just gonna do it manually. Oh no, where did it go? Let's do, is this also small? Yep. Okay. Sort of getting there. Search hero. It's not really a hero, it's more like a header. Also, it's a search results header. So let's do little small radius. We could probably crank up, yeah, we'll do something like that. and then we can probably crank this up to 4. I mean, it's not the greatest design right now, but that's okay. It definitely feels tiny. Let's just do that for now. Do you want to go dark here maybe? No, let's keep it like this. Search result item. This wrapper item. Well, we have a card wrap. What's this one? Oh. Alright. I'm not gonna spend too much time with this one, but I think I do want to do a small container here. Wait, do I need this container? Yeah, I do. Let's leave it. Let's just leave it at like this for now. It's just a little proof of concept, I guess. Okay, now the real work is in figuring out how the search works on mobile, because I have no idea. Oh. Okay. So I could just design that, I guess. Okay, now let's see the nav. Let's see the sub menu. Okay, nav search is in the nav mobile layout. Okay, cool. It is still full. I think I want the close button to be where it is, and then the search wrap we need to mess with here. What am I trying to do? Well, I should probably just see it. There we go. Here's this. Search. Where is it? gonna have to like set everything. That's annoying. Let's just do this maybe. Oh wait. Let's put the padding on here instead. There we go. I'm just designing this blind basically. Button. Okay, so I definitely don't want it to be flexed like that. The label, the button wrap, the label, this is the nav search button. Okay. This is set at 100%. Show me the text. Here's the field, the button wrap. Is this absolute? Nope. It's this one. This is just the icon, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is. Okay. This one has the border. Yeah. So I think in the button wrap, I want it to 2. Something like that, maybe. I don't know. And then the actual nav itself, I want to make sure this is filling up the whole thing. Here's the menu. Nope. Is this the nav? Yeah. This is the scroll. Maybe we'll do this. Nav spacing outer vertical, nav height total. Okay. This is one of those Lumos things, I think, where I want to have this take up the whole thing. What is this one? Nav button wrap. It always takes forever to make these things. Where's the padding? Oh, maybe because I only implemented it here? I'm gonna have to pull it out just to see what the hell's going on. Is there an easier way to do this? I just need to be able to style this thing and like actually see it. Oh, I see it right now. Where is the menu? Here it is. All right, now that we can see it, I don't know how we got it to show up. So I want this to be max width, small, okay. Nav search. Going relative brings us there. We don't want that. The search bar is what's weird. But I think, yeah, no. How come nav search is not? Okay. Search wrap should, well, let's just shrink it to 90%. And then this button, what's going on with this button? Because this, okay, I see what's going on. Okay. So what we actually want is to, well, first of all, I gotta move this close button somewhere else. Maybe just down here. Or up here, maybe. Oh. What was I just moving? I was moving the right one. Okay, so this needs a higher Z index. That nav close button is not great. What's the best pattern? What did I do for this one? I just took up the whole screen. Wait, who's got the background? This has the background. Why does it... Oh, I might have some sort of Yeah, I think I just want this to take up the whole screen. So we'll just do something like that. And then nav search, we'll just have the highest one. One, two, three, four, five. I have a feeling this has, someone has display none somewhere, which I guess is fine. This will be fixed, right? There's the search rep. I need that close button to be in a better spot. Where do I want it? I want it up top to the right, maybe. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. Did I just break it? So rusty with Webflow. What's going on?